And mayong hapon, basketball friends, and we're still live here at the Davao City Recreational Center, formerly known as Almendra Stream, for our third day ng Ramadan Basketball League 2026. This is our third day for our tournament. This league is brought to you by the City Mayor's Office in partnership with the Davao City Muslim Affairs Office. And this is our third game for today, and this is going to be an exciting ball game. The Team Maranao up against the Team Iranon. So, they're already in third game. So, after that, we have the Musab Kagan up against the Dr. Mace Maguindanaon. And our final game for today will be Team Didat after versus Team RMT. So, ito, Team Maranao is really at 1-1. They both have close games up against this Team Iranon is 2-0. So, very exciting mo ating ball game po. Will Abdullah Amiril leadership will able to overcome this Team Iranon with young guns. Mostly ito si Garidel Lais ng Team CMO. So please like and share po sa ating Facebook page sa Madeo Sports Davao. And we would like to thank po our Commissioner Pong Escobar, League Director Mickey Dihita, at saka si Coach Miggy Solitaria. Yan, and shoutout din sa mga nagtala sa itong Facebook page. Again, please like and share po sa Madeo Sports Davao. So for our first five for both teams, we'll be putting in the center court. So, again, ako din si Chris Iscaran ng inyong game anchor. So, yan. Daghang salamat day. So, grabe. Atong second game kanina, no? Nag-went isa sa last possession with Balik Islam losing to give a scare on the defending champions Alzantar Sirawan. So, yan. So, first five for both teams ready in the center court. So, for first five for this Team Iranon, we have Glaridel Lais, Dalaw, itong si Hussein, si Lapitan, si Samuel. And for this Maranao team naman, we have Calvi, itong si Sarganlao, si Mirato, si Andor, at saka itong si Baulo, at saka si Sarip. So, yan yung mga first five ng ating Maranao team. So, both of these teams would like to win as much as they can because short tournament na po tayo mga kaibigan. We'll be having our playoffs this Saturday. Then on Sunday naman ang ating championship game. So dark jerseys naman ang Maranao team. Wearing the white naman ang itong Team Iranon. Dalaw and Abdor will do the tip-off. And first possession goes to Team Iranon. Hussein puts it in for two. So Team Maranao asking for travel but not giving there. Calvi. Ganito kay Mirato. Itong dalawang to, napaka lupit for Maranao team. Sarkanlao drives. Inside pass to Andor. Nahirapan. Calvi for 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Dalaw secures it for Team Iranon. Ganito kay Glaridel Lais. Lais. Guarded by Sarkanlao. Ganito kay Lapitan. Lapitan floater. That's a miss. Kisses on miss. Kick out pass. Samuel drives. Kick out to Lapitan. Another extra pass. Dire-diretso kay Andor. Sarkanlao. Dire-diretso. Sarkanlao. Pass to Mirato. Great defense. Transition by Team Iranon. Sarkanlao. Wide open for 3. Overshoots. And ball stays with Team Maranao with 12 seconds to shoot. Grabe. Akala mo nanguna na dun si Sarkanlao si Mirato. But great defense by Dalaw. Corner. Pinay dito kay Mirato. One dribble. Step back 3. Bang! That's Mirato's first 3 points in this ball game. Lamang Maranao dito. 3-2. 3-point attempt here by Hussein. No good. Rebound by Andor. Pass ito kay Calvi. Calvi. Pass ito kay inside kay Baulo. But this, Pinto rather. So, ball stays with Maranao team. So, we have a good crowd here supporting these two teams. Mirato, step back. And that's good! 5 points for Mr. Mirato. So, 3-point lead here for Maranao. Glaridel Lais. Pass ito. Inside pass. Hussein, no good. Dalaw gets the offensive rebound, but there's a foul, and that's on Pinto. That's Pinto's first personal foul. First team foul for So Dalaw will shoot 2 free throws here. And first free throw is no good. So 2 for 2 for Dalaw. Sarkanlao. Ganito kay Calvi. Calvi, 1-2-2 trap defense apply here by Team Iranon. Forcing a turnover here. And ako, hindi nakatingin doon. Itong si Samuel. Pass ito kay Calvi. Calvi, extra pass to Pinto. Overshoots. Great defense naman by Iranon. Samuel. Ganito kay Gary de Lais. Lais. Dire-diretso si Lais mo. Almost a steal there. Sarkanlao. Jumper. No good. Loose ball. Andor! Tipsy rin for 2. Eto, grabe. Nagkakainita na kagad mga kaibigan for both teams. Lapitan. Pass ito kay Samuel. Pass ito kay Dalaw. Dalaw. Almost is the ball. Lapitan for 3. Bang! Dating batnet. No, but Sarkanlao nangunguna dito. Sarkanlao for 2. 9-8 is the score. 1 point lead here by Maranao team. So, shoutout dito kay Jana Samburayan. Bangsa Iranon, go, go, go! So, thank you for watching. Watching from DCMAO office. Dalaw for 2! So, 10-9 is the score. Napakabilis nating pace, mga kaibigan. Pinto. Pass ito kay Mirato. Shoots for 3. Bang! Great offense for both teams. 12-2 is the score. Maranao leading by 2 points. Paki-shoutout po kay HM Nor from Jana Samburayan. Shoutout and a steal here. Sarkanlao. Reverse layup for 2. 14-10 is the score. 4-point lead here by Maranao team. Lais thinking 3. Lais. Jumper. No good. Loose ball. Andor with the rebound. Pass ito kay Mirato. Mirato stop. Pass to Andor. For 2. And early time has been called here by Team Iranon. They are talk things around. Magbabalik tayo after a short break. And we're back now to our ball game sa ating third game ng ating Ramadan Basketball League 2026 ng ating third day. Team Iranon up against Team Maranao. Team Maranao leading by 6 points, 10-16. Lais guarded close here by Calvi, and there's a foul. So that's too much aggression here for itong si Calvi. So making Gradel Lais frustrating itong si Lais, kasi inaharas talaga siya dito kung sino nakatao sa kanya. As expected, Lais delivers the knockout blows yesterday na kanilang laro. Lapitan, wide open for 3. No good. Dalaw gets offensive rebound. Dalaw powers in for 2. Sarkanlao has the ball. Kaya dito kay Calvi. Bigyan ng screen dito ni Abdor. Great dribble skills by Calvi. Extra pass to Pinto for 2. Nawala doon si Kasmin. Inaako niya na kanya yung tao. So shoutout dito sa mga Coach Wawi watching from shoutout dyan from MSU Marawi from Ansawi Sukor. And shoutout dito from Muhaimin Haimi Osari from Saudi Arabia. Shoutout sa mga ma'am. Delika is a miss. Lais, hindi pa makatira sa 3 dito. Lapitan for 3. BAM! That's second 3-pointer of Lapitan in this ball game. And the lead is cut down to 3 points, 18-15. So shoutout dito kay Alma Michael Tucax PM and North End from Bitbomb. Shoutout sa Ibuadol. Inside pass to Pinto for 2. Great find there by Calvi to Pinto. So 20-15. Grabe. Napakabilis ng ating pacing. Pati mga players po. Napapil na rin ng pagod konti. Lais drives. Kick out. Kasmin. Di makatira. Balik kay Lais. Wide open for 3. That's his shot. No good. Rebound by Dalaw. Dalaw spins. Dalaw. No good. Loose ball. Still Dalaw. No good pa rin. Loose ball. Sarkadlaw gets the ball. Sarkadlaw. Dire-diretso. Great dribbling skills. Bigay kay Mirato. Mirato. Stop up. Shot. Pasok yan. Kay Mirato. So 22-15, 7-point lead here for the team team Maranao, and this the shot there, adjusting in mid-air. Ito si Mirato. So yapit na siya mga shoutouts dali. Shoutout kay Coach Romoros watching from Iligan, from Khalil Rahman, and shoutout din sa Maranao player from Mount Caralo from Mikan J, and go Team Irano from Amira M. Musa. Shoutout sa inyo. Lapitan drives. Extra pass to Delica. No good. Loose ball. Nakuha dito ni Pinto. And loses the ball si Pinto. So Iranon will keep the possession here. 14 seconds to shoot. They're down by 7 points. Kasmin will inbound the ball. Ito kay Lapitan. Another 3-point attempt for Lapitan. That's a miss. Offensive rebound. No good. Loose ball. Kasmin flips it up. Nothing there, but still another serving for Iranon. Hussein for 2 and 1. After fourth serving, finally a basket for Iranon. Is the instant replay here. Ito, not giving up ito si Hussein. Yun. Andor picks up the foul, and that means a bonus free throw here for Hussein. And that's a miss. So the lead is 5 points, 22-17. Calvi has the ball. Ganito kay Sarkanlao. Shoots for 3. Overshoots. Loose ball. Andor gets the rebound. Sarkanlao. Ganito kay Calvi. Pass kay Mirato. Was that time from the outside. Mirato for 3. Bang! He's on fire in this first quarter. Ito si Mirato. 25-17. 8-point lead. Lais. Di makatira. Lapitan. Drives. Inside pass to Hussein for 2. What a pass! And timeout's being called here for Team Maranao. And they'll talk things around, and magbabalik tayo after a short break. And we're back now to our ball game with 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Maranao leading by 6 points, 19-25. Sarkanlao, pass to Andor. Extra pass to Sarkanlao. That's a miss. Loose ball. Team Iranon basketball. warning has been called here on Andor for continuous complaining. So, Glaridel Lais has the ball. Bigyan ito ni Sarkanlao. In middle pass. Hussein shoots. Nothing there. Rebound by Pinto. Bigay kay Calvi. Forward pass to kay Mirato. Was the hot hand. Mirato! No good! Lais with the rebound. Lais, dire-diretso. Lais, extra pass to Kasmin! No good! Offensive rebound, Delica. Nakuha ni Lais. Naku! There's a foul. That's a 3-second violation. So, shoutout dito kay Derek Randy Sabay of J Project Production. Yan, shoutout si mga sir. Mirato has the ball here for Team Maranao. Guarded by Hussein. Mirato, bigay kay Sarkanlao against Lais. Great defense by Lais. Sarkanlao, nahihirapan dito. Bigay kay Calvi. Pass to Pinto, jumper. That's short. Loose ball. Lapitan secures the rebound. 6-point lead. 55 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Lapitan has the ball. Bigay kay Lais. Wide open for 3. Bang! Eto na, nagparamdam na si Glaridel Lais. Shoutout day kay Anilea Amiril from City, Ania Amiril. Shoutout si Mama. Calvi has the ball. Humingi na skin. Binigyan ni Pinto. Ginamit ni Calvi. Calvi drives. Kick out pass. Sarkanlao for 3. No good. And a rebound here by Hussein. Bigyan dito kay Glaridel Lais. Lais. Pass to Lapitan. Kick out pass. Kasmin. Balik kay Hussein. Hussein. Kick out pass to Lais. Naku. Masyadong forward ang pasa. Naku. Hindi na itira. Great defense by Maranao team. Instant replay here. Lock and loaded. Nothing but net niya kay Glaridel Lais. Shoutout po sa Quiapo Basketball Club from MLQ from Macoys Rashid. Shoutout sa inyo mga sir. Calvi got the pass to Andor. Pero hindi lang may pasok yung Andor. So that means 2 free throws here for Mr. Andor and a foul on Mr. Lapitan.
Lucky foul on jersey number 16, Aileen Lapitan. His first personal foul.
So blocking foul ng Lapitan. So 2 free throws for Johari Andor. And a miss here by Andor. So shoutout they go Team Irano from Nasip Laliboy Amoran from Mini Forens. From Mini Forest. Land of Bacas. Yan. So, shoutout sa inyo So, at ends our first quarter with a score of 22-25. What a high-octane offense mga game, mga kaibigan. As Team Maranao leading over Team Irano by 3 points. So, shoutout dito sa mataas na Facebook page. So, bababalik tayo for our second quarter. Stay tuned. And we're back now to our ball game. We'll start off our second quarter ng ating third game ng ating Ramadan Basketball League 2026. It's a high-octane offense and defense, mga kaibigan, for both teams, as Maranao leading by 3 points, wearing the dark jerseys, over the team Maranao wearing the white, 25-22. So, Palawan has the ball, guarded by Kenneth Yap. Palawan, great defense by Kenneth Yap, double team, and of course, the steal here by Hussein. Hussein, dire-diretso, pass dito kay Kasmin! Oh, no good! Kenneth Yap for two! Great help there by Kenneth Yap. Mirato, bigay kay Andor. Guarded closely by Dalaw, bigay kay Ibrahim. Ibrahim, pass dito kay Palawan against Kenneth Yap. Great help defense. Palawan nakawala, no good. Loose ball. Dalaw gets offensive rebound. The rebound rather. Kenneth Yap. Pass dito kay Lapitan. Balik kay Kenneth Yap. And one!
Foul jersey number 30, Michael Mirato.
Foul has been called in Michael Mirato.
Foul for Maranao.
This is first team foul. First personal foul on Michael Mirato. So Kenneth Yap will shoot the bonus free throw. And that's a miss. So lamang na dito Team Irano. And a steal by Kenneth Yap. Yap! Euro step! Oh! What a shot by Kenneth Yap! In an 8-0 run here by the Team Iranon. And time has been called here by the Maranao team. And we'll be right back after a short break.
Maranao.
And we're back now to our ball game with 8 minutes 58 seconds remaining, with Team Iranon making a 8-0 run here. They're up by 3 points now, 28-25. A shoutout data from Gumonsang Mamador from Kapatagan LDS. Yan. Drive here by Jason 11, no good. A rebound here by Hussein. Say, pass ito kay Kasmin. Ganito kay Kenneth Yap was the hot hand here in this quarter. Lapitan for 3. Overshoots. Ayan, balik ang bola dito sa Team Maranao. So Kasmin will be sub out here. So Makalawi is in the ball game for Team Iranon. Palawan has the ball for Team Maranao. Dito kay Team Mirato. Mirato has a hot hand in the first quarter against Makalawi, and that's a foul. And that's on Makalawi.
Hashtag foul on jersey number 18, Makalawi. His first personal foul. First team foul for Iranon.
Sarkanlaw has the ball. Binalik na dito kasi medyo kailangan nila ng main point guard dito. Palawan, pass to Andor. Jumper. That's a miss. Offensive rebound by Andor. Bigay kay Mirato. Bigay na screen ni Andor. Mirato shoots for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Ay nakuha dito ni Lapitan. Forward pass dito kay Makalawi. Guarded close here by Mirato. Kenneth Yap. Bigay kay Lapitan. Slowing things down here. Hinihingi ni Kenneth Yap. Bigay kay Makalawi. Makalawi. And that's a foul. And that's on Mirato. That's his second personal foul.
His second personal foul. Second team foul for Maranao. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14.
Kenneth Yap. Ito kay Makalawi. Yap kay Dalaw. Balik kay Makalawi. Corner pass. Wide open si Hussein for 3. That's a miss. And Sarganlaw has the ball. And that's a foul on Lapitan.
Holding foul on jersey number 16, Aying Lapitan. His second personal foul.
So, second personal foul on Lapitan. Ito kay Mirato against Makalawi. Ito, man-to-man defense dito. So, binigyan dito na mas mabilis na defender ito si Mirato because he's so hot in the first quarter. Mirato jumper, that's short. Ito, Hussein has the ball. Forward pass ito kay Lapitan. Lapitan! No good! Rebound by Mirato. Forward pass ito kay Palawan. Palawan. Na-steal by Hussein Bat. Naku. Sumabit yung kamay. Munti ka na. So, foul by Hussein.
Falls in jersey number 8, Muhammad Hussein. First personal foul. 13 foul for Iranon. 18 seconds on the shot clock. 18.
So 18 seconds shot clock. Sarkanlao has the ball. Ganaskin ni Andor. Sarkanlao wide open for 3. That's a miss. Rebound by Kenneth Yap. Ito, Lapitan for 2! Ito, mukhang nagkakaroon na dito ng alagwa dito ang Iranon. Because of their defense, forcing tough shots for the Maranao team. Mirato. Ganaskin ni Palawan. Mirato still has the ball. Stop, fakes, shoots, score! Oh, hindi! Almost. Yap has the ball. Forward pass dito. Yap. Gari may Mirato. Bigay kay Makalawi. Kick out pass. Lapitan. His third 3-pointer. BAM! And Iranon is now leading by 8 points. 25-33. Grabe yung run dito ng Iranon. Palawan nakawala. Palawan against Dalao. And that's a foul. So that means Palawan will shoot 2 free throws. He's the setup there by Makalawi to ito si Lapitan. He has his third 3-pointer. Ito ba si Lapitan? I think he has 15 points already to si Lapitan in this ball game. And free throw by Palawan is a miss. And a double 2 missed free throws here by still by Andor. Pinto, floater, and it's good! Finally, a basket now for Maranao. So, great effort there by Pinto. Not giving up on that possession. So, shoutout dito kay Dil Tanggayo is watching. Shoutout si Madol. So, paano ko siya sa VXI, Kadula. Ito na, Mirato. Diretso for 2! What a pass there by Sarkanlao to Mirato. Ito, nagparamdam na agad ulit si Mirato. 4-point lead for Team Iranon. Yap. Pass kay Dalao. Ito lang yung isang problema pag man-to-man defense. If you're not fit enough, medyo na-worn down ka. Ito yung so showing signs of fatigue now here for Iranon. Dalao. Power move. No good. Loose ball. Dalao still gets the ball. Sarkanlao try to take the steal. Lapitan for 3. That's a miss. Rebound there by Palawan. Palawan, we still fresh in this quarter. Palawan. Nako. Hindi nagkaamuyan doon. Sila ni Sarkanlao. So, ball ay babalik sa Team Iranon. So, shoutout dito kay Bonbon Tumawis from Mikan J. Kenneth Yap. Stop pop 3. That's short. Rebound by Sarkanlao. Eto na, tumatakbo na naman ang Maranao team. Mirato, Sarkanlao. Extra pass to Mirato. Jumper. That's good! Grabe si Mirato. The way he shoots the ball. His jump shots, parang Michael Jordan lang. Tignan. Since maputi siya, so para siyang si Rukawa sa slam dunk. Ito si Mirato. Makalawi 3-pointer. That's a miss. Rebound by Kenneth Yap for a lean shot. And that's good for Kenneth Yap. Ito, Palawan nakawala dito. Palawan drives. Loses the ball. Great job by Dalao. Hussein has the ball. Forward pass kay Lapitan. Against Sarkanlao. Lapitan for 2. So ito, medyo Officials timeout po, inilisan yung sahig and it's the instant replay here. A 3-point attempt there and ito yung Kenneth Yap. Walang ka-effort, lean floater, banks it in. Ito Sarkanlao, extra pass dito kay Mirato. Parang si Kaide Rukawa ng slam dunk lang yan, si Mirato. Ito, forward pass dito, ito kay Lapitan. Challenging the defenders of the Maranao team. Scoring, ito si Lapitan. Sabi, parang naka 15 points na si Lapitan in this first half. Sarkanlao has the ball here, guarded by Lapitan. Ito kay Andor. Against Delica, balik kay Sarkanlao. Bigyan ng screen ni Andor, hindi ginamit. Balik kay Andor. Great defense by Delica. Bigyan kay Mirato. Mirato, great screen. Ako, huli yung tulak ni Delica. Si Lebron Delica scored for a foul.
Pushing foul on jersey number 6, Grady Delica. His second personal foul. Penalty. 2 free throws for Johari Andor.
By the way, shoutout dito kay Abu Hajar Mangapok Mimbat Mas Kasalong from Cotabato City. Shoutout si mga sir. And shoutout kay Jumail Mutya Andor from Imran Salima. So shoutout sa inyo ah. So Andor makes the first free throw. And 2 for 2 for Andor. So timeouts being called here by Team Iranon. And magbabalik tayo after a short break.
Timeout, Iranon.
And we're back now to our ball game with the start of with 3 minutes and 19 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Team Iranon leading here by 4 points, 37-33. Lapitan na naman for 3. That's wider left. So that's air ball. So napatawa lang si Lapitan. It's gonna be like a heat check for him. He has already 3 3-pointers in this ball game. Sarkanlao for Maranao has the ball. Bigay kay Andor. Balik kay Sarkanlao. Mirato, guarded close here by Makalawi. He's been successful so far. Mirato, step back 3. Wide right. Ito, Kenneth Yap has the ball. Kenneth Yap, dire-diretso, kick out pass. Nako, Lapitan for 3. Bang! Nothing but net by Lapitan. That's his fourth 3-pointer in this ball game. Palawan, guarded by Yap. Bigyan ng screen dito ni Sarkanlao. Palawan, great spin. Almost is the ball. Pinto. Almost an end one plus a foul.
Foul on jersey number 6, Grady Delica. His second personal foul. Two free throws for Odaiba Pinto.
So Pinto will shoot 2 free throws. And that's a miss. Second free throw is no good. In the great rebound there. May Mamukaw. Pinto loses the ball to Lebron Delica. Lapitan. Pasahatan. Lapitan drives. Kick out. Kenneth Yap. Balik kay Lapitan. Almost thinking 3 doon. Yap. Pasito kay Makalawi for 3. That's a miss. Rebound here by Ami Pinto. Sarkanlao has the ball. They're down by 7. Palawan, dire-diretso. That's a miss. Lebron Delica with the rebound. Forward pass dito kay Kenneth Yap. Nako, sobra yung pasa kay Lapitan. So substitution being made here. Macalawe will be sub out here for jersey number 2. Sarkanlao. Diyan dito kay Amiril. Balik kay Sarkanlao. Pinto. Inside pass to Palawan. Against Hussein for 2! And that's basket is good. Grabe, tinulak dun si Amiril ng kanyang kakampi. He's pleading for his case, but kitang-kita yun. Tinulak siya ni Lebron Delica dun. And that's a foul. A chance here for 3-point play for Palawan. And that's a miss. Lebron Delica with the rebound. Dito kay Hussein. Bigay kay Kenneth Yap. 5-point lead here. Nako, Lapitan wide open na naman for 3. Bang! He's on fire! Ito si Lapitan. 5 3-pointers in this ball game. 8-point lead pa rin for the Team Iranon. Palawan. Bigyan screen dito ni Andor. Palawan drives. Palawan lagi si Mondelica. Great defense, but that's a foul. So he doesn't like that call. So Palawan will shoot 2 free throws here. Here's the instant replay here. Kenneth Yap setting up ito si Lapitan for his 5th 3-pointers. Nothing but net yan para kay Lapitan. Ito, pinasayaw lang yung net ni Lapitan. Grabe yung nag-iinit ng kamay ni Lapitan in this first half. With 51.1 seconds remaining. And that's a miss from the free throw line. Ito si Palawan. And as offensive rebound here for Palawan. And ako, nabitawan pa ang bola. Sayang. So balik ang bola sa Team Iranon. 45.9 seconds remaining. They're down by 8 here itong Team Maranao. Lapitan, Delica. Pasa dito kay Kenneth Yap. They need to be worried here for Lapitan. Naka-zone defense sila dito. It's gonna be a zone buster itong 3 points ito si Lapitan. Kenneth Yap serving the clock. Yap, pasa dito kay Nagle. Hussein thinking 3, balik kay Nagle. Nagle loses the ball. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation. Great defense by Maranao team. Sayang, wide open sana si Lapitan doon. Hindi nakita sa kaliwang kanto. Amiril is sub out here for Mirato. 20.4. No more shot clock. So expect a last shot here for Team Maranao. So binilik si Macalawe dito. Who's guarding? Great. Itong kay Mirato. Quick defender. Will Kaide Rukawa ng Maranao able to score this buckets. It's like Michael Jordan here. Mirato. Great defense. Balik kay Pinto for 3. Oh! Nothing but net yan for Pinto! Eyes on his base! Clutch shot by Pinto! And that ends our first half with a score of 43-38. Team Iranon leading here by 5 points over Team Maranao. What a ball game! So expect pa tayo na napakainit na second half dito. Only here sa Ramadan Basketball League 2026. We'll be right back after a short break for our second half. Stay tuned.
Boy Ball, courtesy of KSK Blue Cross.
And we're back now to our ball game with the start of our second half or third quarter ng ating Ramadan Basketball League 2026 third game between the Team Iranon up against the Team Maranao, with Team Iranon leading here by 5 points, 43-38. So this thing is brought to you by the City Mayor's Office in partnership with the Davao City Muslim Affairs Office. So as Team Iranon leading here by 5 points, but great defense by Maranao team, forcing a turnover. So kanilang balik ang bola ngayon. Ito na, Nastor Kapampangan against Bactad. This will be a great matchup here. Nandito na si Nasnor. Mirato, great reverse layup for two! Nakawala si Mirato kay Kasmin. Kasmin, pasa dito kay jersey number 34. Balik kay Kasmin. Kasmin, great pass dito kay Dalaw. Munti ka na nawala. Bactad, jumper. That's a miss. Kasmin with the rebound. Second possession here for Iranon. Bactad, kick out. Hindi tinira. Floater, that's a miss. Loose ball. So Dalaw tops it out. So balik ang bola sa Maranao team. A chance here to tie this ball game with a 3-pointer. Mirato, wala pa masyadong pahinga dito ha. Si Mirato for Maranao team. So Nasnor against Bactad. Kapampangan spins. Kapampangan, no good. Great defense. Loose ball. Kuha ni Lapitan. The hot man ng first half. Lapitan. Fakes. Di makatira. Great defense by Maranao. Sarkanlao. Great move by Lapitan. Bactad. Oh! Pinasa pa. Hindi tinira. Great effort sana doon by Lapitan. So shoutout dito sa lahat ng Sultans Maranao team. Alma, Michael, Ducax, PM. Salamat sa imo ha, ma'am. Thank you for your shoutouts. Sarkanlao as the ball. Bigyan dito kay Mirato. Bigyan ng screen dito. Mirato for 3. Bang! The Michael Jordan of Maranao team is awakened already. Tabla tayo at 43 all. Bactad. Grimes. And ayun. That's a travel for Bactad. So balik ang bola sa Team Maranao and a chance to take the lead. Sarkanlao has the ball. So, setting up na naman, I think, dito si Kapampangan. Ganito kay Mirato, who has some 5 points already. Michael Jordan ng Maranao. What a move! Jumper! Almost! Oh no, tumama kay Dalaw. Great pass! Amiril Porto! Oh, it's Pinto rather. And the Maranao team takes the lead. Great pass there by Mirato to Pinto, forcing a foul and one situation for Pinto.
Aquí Samuel, his first personal foul.
So that's a miss. So 2-point lead here for Maranao team. Lapitan has the ball. Against Mirato. Great matchup here. The two hottest players sa laro is back. Lapitan is a pass to Bactad. Bactad hindi makatira. Great help by Sarcanlao. Forward pass dito kay Pinto. Loose ball. Pandora sa mabigay kay Michael Jordan. Balik kay Andon. Lako. Stall here. Hussein has the ball. Hussein dire-diretso. Pass kay Makalawi. Balik kay Hussein. Great defense may Kapampangan. Balik kay Lapitan. For his 6-3-pointer. BAM! And Iranon takes the lead. That's his 6-3-pointer in this ball game. Ito si Lapitan. Sarcanlao has the ball. Bigyan ng screen dito ni Andon. Hindi ginamit si Sarcanlao. Ito, setting up si Kapampangan against Bactad. Kapampangan, power spin. Bactad, pass to Andor. Andor, fade away. No foul. Ball is loose. Lapitan has the ball. 3 against 2. And that's a foul given up there by Sarcanlao.
Jersey number 11.
There's an instant replay here. What a kick out pass by Hussein to Lapitan. Set up shot there. And he is really on fire from the outside. Ito si Lapitan. And that replay is brought to you by Bastard Dabawenyo. Disiplinado. So Makalawi setting up here for his team. Bigay dito kay Lapitan for his 7-3-pointer. That's a miss. And yun, huli si Paulo. Pushing ito si Bactad. So shoutout dito sa mga 234 viewers natin mga kaibigan. So Hussein will inbound the ball for Team Iranon. Kick out pass ito kay Lapitan. Guarded here by Mirato. Oh, what a dribbling steal by Lapitan. Inside pass to Dalaw. And ako, that's a travel on Dalaw. Pero mako, mukhang nasaktan sa doon yung tuhod ni Dalaw. At he's okay. Siguro bumigay lang yung lakas na doon kasi dalawa agad yung lakas sumalubong sa kanya. But great pass there by Lapitan. So Sarcanlao has the ball for Maranao team. Lamang na 1 point dito ang Iranon. Ito kay Mirato against Makalawi. Ito mukhang successful pa dito si Makalawi ha against Mirato. Balik kay Mirato and great tap there. Hussein steals the ball. Oh, stolen there by Andor. Lousy pass there. Kick out pass. Sarcanlao. Balik ito kay Kapampangan. Nako. Masyadong malayo. Dalaw. Forward pass kagad dito kay Hussein. Hussein, nako. Tumama sa pa. Lucky break there for Maranao. So, shoutout tita kay Cairo Vlog. Shoutout sa imo, sir. Baka naman. So, Mirato, guarded by Makalawi. Bigyan na skin ni Andor. So, Michael Jordan ng Maranao team. Trying to set up the play here. Bigyan ito Sarcanlao for 3. Overshoots. And balik ang bola sa team Iranon. And timeout being called here for team Iranon. They're leading by a single point. Magbabalik tayo after a short break. And we're back now to our ball game with 4 minutes and 31 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Team Irano leading by a single point. Dalaw. Bigay kay Makalawi. Bigay kay Baktad. Inside pass to Dalaw. Shots. No good. Rebound by Andor. Great defense by Nasnor Kapampangan. Sarkanlao for Maranao. Setting up the play. Bigay kay Andor. Bigay dito kay Michael Jordan Mirato. Bigay kay Nasnor. Bigay kay Mirato. Against Makalawi. Nakawala. And ito. Nasnor. Power move. No good. Loose ball. Sarkanlao gets the ball. Sarkanlao. Flower. Points home. And the Maranao team leading by a single point. So wala. So shoutout si mga kay Vlog. Wala si Boss Mark dire. Ako din si Chris Iscaran. Kauban ako si Boss Joros Costan dire sa pod. And ako, great defense naman by Maranao. Balik ang bola. Mirato has the ball. Dili kita is Nasnor Kapampangan. Nasnor. Balik kay Mirato. Bigyan ng screen against Dalaw. Step back for 3. That's blocked by Dalaw. Nasnor Kapampangan. No good. But nag-isa doon si Paulo. Great rebound there by Jose. But naku, si Makalawi can't handle the basketball. So balik ang bola sa Maranao team.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Isa isang replay here. Sinigurado talaga dito ni Sarkanlao na papasok tong tira. So by the way, labang ng 1 point dito ang Maranao team. 47-46. Nasnor. Great top there by Baktad.
10 seconds on the shot clock. 10.
Sarkanlao. Yan dito kay Andor for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. And ball goes back to Team Iranon. I think that's an ill-advised shot for Andor. It's too early for the shot clock. So Makalawi has the ball here for Team Iranon. Lapitan. Was a hot hand. Medyo ilang possession na hindi nakatira si Lapitan. Balik kay Baktad. Balik kay Makalawi for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Andor. Saves it to Kamesnor Kapampangan. Forward pass ito kay Mirato. Mirato. Dire-diretso. Michael Jordan fade away. No good. Loose ball. Balik kay Mirato. Hindi tinira. Ito kay Andor. Andor gets Dalaw. And that's a... What foul's been called? Is it a blocking foul or is it an offensive foul? And it's a blocking foul called on Dalaw. Medyo nasaktan dun si Andor. Grabe, parang Clash of the Titans yung nangyayari. Grabe yun.
First personal foul. 2 free throws for Johavi Andor. Substitution for Iranon.
So, shoutout dito kay Kuya Bem Mangarang from TSM Mangarang. So, 2 free throws here for Mr. Andor. And first free throw is good. And 2 for 2 for Andor. And 3-point lead now here for the Maranao team. 49-46. Makalawi. Kay Kasmin. The Iranon team has a scoring drought here. Kasmin for 3. That's a miss. And Hussein taps it in. And 1. Grabe. What the presence of mind by Hussein. And it was on Sarkanlao. Scored for a foul. Alam niyan, siya lang nag-iisa doon. So a chance to tie this ball game for Hussein. That's a miss. Loose ball. Nakuha ni Hussein. So a chance here to take the lead here for the Iranon. Kasmin. Ganito kay Makalawi. Kay Hussein dito. Hussein, kick out. Kasmin. Shoots for 3. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation.
Second shot clock violation. Timeout, Maranao.
So time has been called here for the Maranao team. Magbabalik tayo after a short break. So we're back now to our ball game with the start of with 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter ng ating napaka-exciting ball game. Team Iranon against Team Maranao, and there's a foul there on Baulo, and that I think that's on either Hussein or Baghdad. So shoutout dito kay Mac Makalawi from BXI. So shoutout si mga Mac. I hope you're enjoying this ball game. And 1 point for Baulo. And 2 for 2 for Baulo, and 3-point lead now for the for the Maranao team. So 48 to 51 is the score with 1 minute and 22 seconds sa ating ball sa aming third quarter. Makalawi has the ball. Inside pass to Delica. Kasmin for 3. And it's good! Tabla tayo at 51 all. Sarkanlao. Ganito kay Mirato. Stop up 3. That's a miss. And Kasmin with the rebound. Dire-diretso si Kasmin. Kasmin inside pass to Hussein. Pass to Baghdad. Extra pass. Hussein! No good! Loose ball. Baulo has the ball. Equal Sarkanlao. Sarkanlao. Great defense by Kasmin. Sets up dito ang Maranao team. Kay Pinto. Pinto for 3. Bang! An answer by Pinto for 3. And the fans of the Maranao in this gym is cheering for their team. Lamang na sila dito ng tatlo. 54-51. Kasmin has the ball. Kay Makalawi. Pass dito kay Hussein. Balik kay Makalawi. Pass kay Kasmin. Kasmin drives. Kasmin brings it up. Block! Kapampangan sa ball. Pinto. 3 against 1. Makalawi pass to Sarkanlao. And that ends our third quarter with a score of 51-56. 5-point lead by the Maranao team over Team Iranon. And that ends our third quarter, and we'll be right back after a short break para sa ating exciting final quarter. So stay tuned.
Keep your ears up in the back out. Here's Thomas. Forward and Eight of ball, the boundary quick. Similar for something in the five. Away, incorporated. Fighting on the can. Double market. fourth and final quarter, ball possession, Maranao.
And we're back now sa ating ball game, sa ating fourth and final quarter na nating napaka-exciting ball game. Team Maranao against Team Iranon, Palawan. Pass dito against the defense of Dalao. And ito, Pinto was fouled here by Team Iranon. So ito, 56-51 po. Lamang po dito ang 5 points ang Maranao team. And a chance to make it a 7 if Pinto makes these 2 free throws. So by the way, this league is your Ramadan Basketball League 2026 and brought to you by the City Mayor's Office of the City Government of Davao City and in partnership with the Davao City Muslim Affairs Office. So pasalamat dito sa atong commissioner, si Commissioner Pong Escobal, League Director Mickey Dita, o si Sir Miggy Solitaria. Yan, ang mabubuo sa Mariao Sports for making this league possible. So lapitan, ito na, laglabasan na ng mga ace dito ang both teams. Larry De Lais lapitan along with Dalao. Itong si Delica. At itong si Kenneth Yap. Yap, what a Euro step for no good. Delica with the rebound, no good. Dalao and hindi nag-reset ang shot clock. But ito mukhang nasaktan doon sa kabilang side dito si Pinto. His shoulder. So we'll be right back after a short break. So the referees are gonna clear things up first. So babalik tayo. And we're back to our ball game. So, may clarification po tayo dito. So, ball stays with Team Iranon. Pero may technical fouls being called on jersey number 6 for unsportsmanlike behavior, for making a violence. So, medyo binigyan niya kasi dun si Pinto. Like, parang shoulder tackle. And yun, parang na-dislocate or parang nagkaroon ng injury sa shoulder si Pinto. So, ang mangyari, so shooting free throws dito ang Maranao, but possession will be kept on Iranon. Kasi walang tawag doon sa initial contact ni Delica kay Pinto. So, full heads pinag-usapan na dito. So, full heads prevail. So, shoutouts dito sa mga atong mga peacekeeper diri sa atong court. So, atong mga security personnel, sila coach Pong Escobar. So, settling things around. So, first free throw is miss for Baulo.
Ball possession, Iranon. Substitution, shot clock, 14 seconds. Shot clock,
So, 7-point lead here for the Maranao team. Iranon has the ball. So, Delica still in the ball game here for Team Iranon. So, sa kanilang bola, Glaridel Lais. So, 40 seconds pa lang po tayo ang nakalipas sa ating fourth quarter. Ha? Dami na lang ganap. So, back tayo sa ating ball game. Kenneth Yap. Guarded by Andor. Kick out pass. Glaridel Lais for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. And ball goes to Maranao. So, Andor has the ball. Ready to kay Calvi. Kakabalik na ni Calvi dito sa fourth quarter. Along ito si Mirato, Kapampangan, Andor, and Palawan. Ito, Kapampangan against Delica. Kapampangan, no good. And ball stays with Maranao team. Ito.
3 seconds to shoot.
So 3 seconds to shoot here. So gets the ball. Inside pass to Andor. Andor fade away. No good. Kapampangan gets the rebound. And a foul on Kenneth Yap. So 14-second shot clock for Maranao team.
Holding foul on jersey number 17, Kenneth Yap.
Kapampangan inbound the ball.
Second personal foul.
Ito, nakawala si Calvi against Lapitan. Inside pass. Kapampangan against Lapitan. Delica. And that's an offensive foul on Kapampangan.
Offensive foul on jersey number 9, Nasur Kapampangan. His first personal foul.
Balik ang bola dito sa Team Iranon. So, Lais, winning the ball. They're down by 7. Lais drives. Step back. Kenneth Yap for 3. No good. Dalawin offensive board but can't handle the basketball. So the fans of the Maranao team here inside the gym cheering for his team, especially defensively. Eto na. Calvi has the ball. Carry close here by Lapitan. No foul. Still play on. Calvi. Great defense by Aying Lapitan. And nako! That's an unsportsmanlike foul on Calvi. Huli doon. Great job there by Lapitan closing in defensively. I think for this Maranao team, they need to just calm down kasi lamang sila dito. They don't want to give Iranon a momentum shifting play here. Medyo nawala sa pasensya dito si Calvi. Great defense by Aying Lapitan, forcing that turnover. So Lapitan will shoot 2 free throws here. He's been the hot hand for Iranon, especially in the first 3 quarters. And 2 for 2 for Aying Lapitan. And pass, babalik pas kay the possession. So that's a great momentum shifting here. A chance for Iranon. So they down by 5 points. 53 to 58. Lapitan has the ball. Lais can erupt anytime here, especially yesterday's game. Lapitan drives. Lapitan kick out. Lais for 3. The short. Loose ball. Andor with the rebound. Mirato has the ball. He's been challenged defensively here by Glary De Lais. Man-to-man defense apply here. So Calvi will be defended by Lapitan. Lais will be defending Mirato. Palawan drives. Oh, what a shot by Palawan!
Agay Palawan.
Kenneth Yap, Yaki Dalaw against Kapampangan, loses the ball. Kapampangan steals. Mirato has the ball. Ganito kay Calvi, forward pass dito kay Andor for 2!
Gahari Andor.
So, it's a 9-point lead here for the Maranao team. Lais still struggling here in the fourth quarter. Kenneth Yap, guarded by Mirato. Bigyan na screen ni Delica. Balik ni Delica. Di kitinira. Lais for 3. And that's good! So, Lais finally makes his first 3-pointer sa fourth quarter.
Subdivision for Iranun.
So, Dalaw will sub out here by Baghdad for rebounding purposes. So, Kapampangan will inbound the ball here for Maranao. Bigay dito kay Calvi. Guarded by Lapitan. So, ito na yung pressure man-to-man defense here for Iranon. Calvi, great pass. Mirato for 3. That's a miss. Rebound by Kenneth Yap. So, great job there by Iranon making a stop here. This is going to be a chance. Lapitan for 3 for 7 3-pointer. Overshoots. So, ball goes to Iranon. Maranao. Forward pass ito kay Kapampangan. Kaya ito kay Mirato. Almost a steal there. Kaya kay Palawan. Kaya kay Calvi. Guarded by Lapitan. Almost a steal na naman. And that's a foul on Lapitan.
Foul on jersey number 16, Aileen Nabida. His third personal
So,
foul.
nagkakainitan na dito ang players, mga kaibigan. That's still part of the game pa. It's fine. So, Lapitan at saka si Calvi. So, Kapampangan against Delica. Kapampangan reverse. No good. Great defense by Delica. Forward pass ito kay Lais. Lais. Double team. Lapitan against Calvi. Gagawin ito kay Lais. Balik kay Lapitan for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Palawan has the ball. Bigay dito kay Andor. Andor! Block by Baghdad, but there's a foul.
Foul on jersey number 95, Sinai Baghdad. His first personal foul.
So, Andor will shoot 2 free throws.
Subdivision for Iranun.
So, Delica will be sub out here by Dalaw.
Gahari Andor.
And first free throw is a miss. And second free throw is good for Andor. So 7-point lead here for Maranao team. With 5 minutes and 21 seconds remaining, Lais has the ball. He has 1 3-point in this ball game already. In this fourth quarter. Baghdad. Jumper. That's a miss. Dalaw, top sila. Nakuha ni Lapitan. And great job by Lapitan to maintain the possession with 12 seconds from the shot clock.
12 second shot clock.
Lapitan na sa ball. Bigay kay Glary Del Lais. Bigyan na screen ni Baghdad. Lais nakawala. Fakes. And that's a foul on Kapampangan. So that means 2 free throws here for Glary Del Lais.
Foul on jersey number 9, That's notable Bakan, second personal foul.
So, Lais will shoot 2 free throws for Garidel Lais. And first free throw is good. Two for Garidel Lais. So 5-point lead here for Maranao. 5 na lang inahabol ito ng Iranon. Palawan. Great job there by Edith Yap. At there's a foul. And that's on. Lapitan. And ako, a technical has been called in on Kenneth Yap. That's technical is called on by Ramchan Bayot.
16, Aying Lapitan. Technical foul on the bench of Iranon for rubber bench goal. Aying Lapitan, 4 personal foul.
So, Aying Lapitan sport personal foul.
Free throw for Michael Mirato.
So, Mirato will shoot the technical free throw. Plus 2 free throws pa para kay Palawan after. So, free throw is good by Mirato. So, Palawan mo now shoot 2 free throws. And that's a miss. So, 5-point lead only for the Maranao team. So, shoutout dito kay Jimboy kay Magantor from Panakan. Yan, shoutout si Master. So, last free throw here for Palawan. 6-point lead. That's a miss. Loose ball. And ball stays with the Maranao team.
I have some possession stays with Maranao. 14 seconds, shot clock, 14.
So 14 seconds shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot here for the Maranao team. 6-point lead only here. So they each have a chance to Mirato against Lais. Great defense, kick out pass. Calvi against Lapitan. Great matchup. Lapitan, Albi nakawala. Pass to Palawan. No good. Loose ball. Lapitan, Kenneth Yap gets the ball. Yap. Almost lose the ball. Bigay dito kay Lapitan. Pass kay Garidel Lais. Drives. Pass kay Baktad. Balik kay Lais. Lapitan. Pass to Baktad. It's a pass to Dalaw for two! Great job there by Baktad. Passing it to Dalaw the last minute. 4-point lead for the Maranao team. Calvi against Lapitan. Mirato, guarded by Lais. Mirato, and ako, that's a foul on Lais. Smart play there by Mirato. Nahuli doon si Lais. He can't believe it, but yeah, that's obvious. Look at this move there by Mirato, the bump. And first free throw is good for Michael Mirato. So shoutout mo kay Ying Lapitan and Junaid Baktad, teammates ko yan from Nel Crossover. So shoutout sa mo ah. And miss may Mirato, 5-point lead pa rin for the Maranao team. So 2 out of 3 for Mirato. So 6-point lead. So 2 possession only here. So malayo pa to, 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Lais. Pass dito kay Kenneth Yap. Hingin na screen kay Dalaw. Bigyan ni Yap. Yap drives. Spins. Loose ball! Nakuha ni Calvi! Eto na, Mirato nangunguna! Forzo! 8-point lead by Team Iranon. 68-60. Time out by Team Iranon. And mababalik tayo after a short break. And back sa ating ball game with 3 minutes 27 seconds sa ating third game na ating third day ng Ramadan Basketball League. So both of these teams are trying to get their wins in this ball game. Lapitan drives and Lapitan scores! 6-point lead. And ako, steal here by Iranon. Lies for 3. That's a miss. Rebound by Dalaw. Pass kay Kenneth Yap. Kay Lapitan. Balik kay Yap. Shoots for 3. And he does! Scores! Big shot by Kenneth Yap. 3-point lead. 68-65. Calvi. Steal by Lapitan. Backtad. Balik kay Lapitan. Yap again for 3. Back to back. Short. Mirato with the ball. 4 pass ito kay Palawan. Palawan. Extra pass. But ball stays with the Maranao team. So, tumama doon kay Backtad. Munti ka na naman na steal doon.
With Maranao. Shot clock 18 seconds. 18 shot clock.
18 seconds shot clock. 2 minutes 34. Maranao has the basketball. So, ito, may binibigyan ng warning dito ng referees sa mga players. Walang maghawakan. Just play honesty. Mirato has the ball, shoots for 3. That's a miss. A loose ball. And Palawan is called for a foul. They're not yet in the penalty. Now a chance here for the Iranon to tie this ball game. And next foul po for the Maranao will be penalty. So, coming from Boss Mark, shoutout kay Boss Idol Cairo Vlog, ang CEO ng Balduce, mga lamiay na cake in Davao. Shoutout sa mga Cairo Vlog, baka naman. So, back to the ball game, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Glary de Lais, they have a chance to tie this ball game here. With a 3-point shot, Lais drives, pass kay Dalaw, Dalaw, bangs it in! The lead is cut down to a single point. 67-68. 1-point lead by the Maranao team. And time has been called here by the Maranao. Di ka talk things around. Magbabalik tayo after a short break. And balik tayo sa team ball game with 2 minutes and 19 seconds remaining. 1 point lead here for the Maranao team wearing the dark jersey, and that's a foul on Dalao. So that means 2 free throws here for Andor. I think that's bad foul on Dalao.
His third personal foul. 2 free throws for Johari Andor.
So Johari Andor will shoot 2 free throws here. And that's good! That's a miss! Loose ball, and that's another foul on Dalao. Masyado nakafocus si Dalao sa hawak. So that means another free throw again, but this time it's Nasnor Kapampangan will shoot 2 free throws.
Dalao for personal foul. 2 free throws for Nasnor Kapampangan.
And that's good for Nasnor Kapampangan. So alikan lamang sa 3. So sa question ni Andam Pinar Guantero, kinsa daog balik is number Sirawan. Daog po ang Sirawan, ma'am, for 3 points. So that's a miss sa Nasnor Kapampangan. So 3-point lead only here for the Maranao, and a chance to tie again for the Iranon. Lais drives, inside pass to lapitan na sa miss. Dalao with the rebound. Dalao intended pass sana kay Bactad, but the ball is out of bounds. Palawan na si Nasnor Kapampangan. Try to dive the ball.
14 seconds shot clock. 14.
So 14-second shot clock. 1 minute 54 seconds. 14-second shot clock.
Again, 14 seconds shot clock. 14.
So shoutout din sa itong 328 viewers. Bactad. Hindi titira. Binigay kay Glaridel Lais. Bigyan ng screen. Lais pass to Bactad. Drives. Bactad. Sizing media. No good. Loose ball. Kuha ni Palawan. Forward pass. Naku! A turnover. Noon. Sayang. Hindi na pasa doon kay Mirato. Nag-iisa sana si Mirato doon. So a chance again for Iranon to tie this ball game or to cut the lead to a single point. Di talaga kinuklose out talaga si Glaridel Lais from the outside. 3-point lead for Maranao. Iranon has the ball. Glaridel Lais sizing up ito si Palawan. Pass ito kay Kenneth Yap. Yap. Crossover. Yap. Layup. That's a miss. Kuha ni Calvi. Ganito kay Palawan. Munti ka pang nawala. Ito, lapitan lang against Calvi. Pass ito kay Nasnor Kapampangan. 10 to shoot. Mirato has the ball. This will be a huge possession for Maranao team. Mirato. Great double team. Nasnor. Stolen by Lais. Lais. Pass ito kay Kenneth Yap. Oh! Binasa ball. Nandun si Nasnor. Stolen here by Maranao. 50 seconds. 3-point lead only. Calvi has the ball. Ganito kay Palawan. 15-second shot clock. Dalao against Palawan. Ito, pagod na si Dalao. Palawan po! You can see there. What a move by Palawan and Dalao. You can see there, Dalao is retired. Biglang bumigay yung legs doon, and that was an opening for Palawan for the lefty layup drive. Crucial basket there by Palawan. So 5-point lead here by the Maranao, 7-67. Team Iranon calls for time. They got talk things around here. So again, I think they can throw some plays here with 14.8 seconds remaining. They're still not yet out of this ball game. A quick 2 can still do it dahil babalik pa sa kanila yung bola. So grabe, napakaganda ng ating ball game mga kaibigan. What a treat para sa ating 353 viewers.
Shot clock 14
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Shot clock 14. Game clock 40.8 seconds.
Bola ng Iranon. Yap will inbound the ball. Kikilapitan. Expect here a Gary De Lais play here. 10 seconds. Lais. And that's a foul. Naku! A quick 2 free throws here for Gary De Lais. That's a bad foul by Andor. So 2 free throws for Lais. And a stop time. So a good stop at sa kabila. So they still have a chance here itong Team Iranon. But Gary De Lais needs to make these free throws. And he misses! Second free throw, 2 misses by Lais! Big free throw miss! Oh, nangunguna si Mirato! Touchdown! 7-point lead. Lais gets the ball. Lais. Dire-diretso and no. Bitawan pa ni Lais.
All possession facing Iranon.
What a play there. Nakaserap talaga doon si Mirato. So, shoutout dito kay Coach Wawa Lamano for watching. So, Lapitan will inbound the ball. And try to knock out play sana, but that's a steal, and I think that may do it. No more fouls. Give it up there by the Iranon team. Calvi bigay dito kay Mirato. In 10 seconds. 9 seconds. And that ends our ball game with the official score 67-74. The Maranao team wins over the Team Iranon. So the Maranao team will be 2-1, while Team Iranon naman will be 2-1 as well. So grabe, napakahigpit po ng ating laban mga kaibigan. What a game for both teams. So coming up next po mga kaibigan, ang Dr. Mace Maguindanaon. Kalaban po ang Musab Kagan. Yan. So great shoutout din sa mga tao sa itong Facebook page. Daghang salamat. O magbabalik tayo after for the next game. So see you next game.